Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of React. So today we are going to learn about the process of the sign in. Okay, so previous we have go with the user registration. Now we are going to sign in with that account. So let's see how we are going to do that. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's see how we are going to do that. So the sign in process we have, let's go with the authentication. Last user I have used is, let me check this one, but I remember the password. So this is the account I'm going to add here. This is the account. Okay, I'm going to add the password. So there is a space, I guess. What happened? Let's see in the network console. So why it's not working? Okay, there is a space at the front. See, I can log in. So how we can do the login process in the using the Firebase, using the React. So let's see how we are going to do that. So the same phenomena we are going to use in that part also. Now we are going with the sign in container. Okay, then we have a sign in container. Sign in container, we are receiving email and the password, right? So here we are receiving the email and the password. Okay, so sign in, email and the password. So there's a function sign in. So let's see what the sign in process does. We have already go with the sign in. Let me check with the sign in firebase.js. So here we are the signing, right? Sign in. So sign in with email and the password. There is a function this dot auth email and the password. Auth is gonna be like there, and with the passing the email and the password that is required, right? So here we go with the sign in container. So where it is sign in. Okay, going this one again. This is get user. All the information we are getting in after the handle change and the handle submit. The data is set and the get handle change, all the data is recorded, handle submit. On submit we are just, you can see that, hit the API. After submit we will hit the Firebase API. You can see that Firebase sign in, hit this one. If it get the response, it will go to the success, will go there. Then other there is a error, we will just set that error in your state and we will show that error, right? So this is the thing that required for like sign in the process. So you need to know about this function, that is firebase.sign in. After whenever you click on the submit, get all the data from email and the password, set it, and whatever response you're getting in, just show it. Okay, so this is how we are able to sign in the Firebase with the help of the React.js. So any doubt, any query, one thing that is pending, that is the container. I'm not showing you the container part. So this is a sign in one, right? So this is the sign in that we are email, password, handle change, handle submit and the error. All these things are we are getting from the container, right? So this is the, you can see that we are fetching the email on change, on handle change. You can see that handle change, and this is a password on the change, and this is submit button. Okay, all the process done. Whatever we are going with the handle change, it will go here, and the handle submit. Okay, on when there is form submit, so all the data is coming to the handle submit point. This is the handle submit, which is in the your container part. So all the data go there and process the data, and the user will sign in, and it will show you all the data whatever it contains. Okay, so whatever the data it contains, we have to show it. So that is also important. So let's go for the home container, that is important. So footer, header, then we have a home. Okay, what exactly that is, that is the home part. So let's see home index. Okay, so we have a first name, you can see that React. So we have a user dot first name. So home, wherever it is using the props. So we are getting the first name, last name and everything. Let's get and there is a sign out container also. So when I click on the sign out, it will sign out the process. So this is the component. Let's see the container is where it is. So this is the container, home container. So we are passing, this is the home, this dot prop dot user. Okay, we will set the data in the props. Okay, and this is the home container we are getting, and we are just getting the map state to props. here we are using the redux. Okay, so it will set in we will let's check the this redux part also, that is reducers. So here we have actions, and where we have this is the actions. Users, we have the set user, we will set the user and remove user. This is the action type, set user and remove user. Okay, these are the constants. And then we have reducers. Let's go for the reducer part. Actions is there, reducers in the middle, because it's r, right? So here we have reducers, we have index and the users. So index.js, we have a reducers user. Okay, and we have a users like this one. So when there is initial state is null, so whenever we are going to set the payload and the remove user, by default we are setting that in the state. So we will fetch the data from the state. Whenever we are logged in, we will set the data in the state, and we will fetch the data in the home screen with the help of the props. Okay, so this is the scenario that we are using in the React part using the Firebase. So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.